It's that time of the year to welcome one of the most popular deities of India into our homes. Yes, you guessed it right. It's our very dear Lord Ganesha, the Lord who removes obstacles, the Lord of wisdom, the Lord of knowledge, and the one who loves good food. So what's in store in this episode of Munch and Mull today? It's definitely not munching. Can you guess? Keep watching. Namaskarams and welcome back to yet another festival episode of Munch and Mull. Let's have a quick look at the history of Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations in India. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations started around the era of Shivaji Maharaj and continued through the Peshwa rule. But it was our freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak who actually conceived this idea of celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi in the community as a means to bind people during the freedom struggle. Something that we create with our hands is very precious and dear to us, isn't it? So let's make our own Ganesha with wheat flour today. So let's look at the ingredients required to make this Ganesha. It's nothing but wheat flour. Now the quantity of wheat flour depends on the size of the Ganapati. So here I am going to make a small Ganapati. So I have taken about 2 cups of wheat flour. I have taken 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to give color, 1 teaspoon of oil and water to bind the flour. Basically you have to bind it tight like how we make it for puri, and if you want any other colors, instead of water you can use palak or coriander puree to make a green Ganapati, or you can boil carrots, puree it and mix it to the flour with some water to make orange Ganapati. It is your creativity. So now let me add the turmeric to the flour. Mix it. Keep adding water gradually. As I said, we need a tight dough. If there is extra dough left after making the Ganesha, you can definitely use it for making your chapati or puri, so there is no wastage of the dough. Let's add the oil. The dough is ready, so we will just keep it closed for about 5 minutes and then we will make our Ganesha. Now our wheat flour dough is ready. Now we will divide it into portions. Here I have divided the dough into 14 balls. So this is the main body, this is the base, this is the head, this is the trunk, these are the 2 ears, 2 legs, 2 hands, crown and for the modagam. And by the way, I am not at all an artist, so if I can make Ganesha, anybody can make it. So now let's start making our dear Ganesha. So first we will make the base. So just flatten this ball, the base is ready. Now we will attach the body to this. So this is the body. So attach it to the end of the base here. And we just merge the dough here. The body with the base. And flatten it. So now they have merged. Now we will attach the head. This is the head. Merge the head with the body. Okay. Now we will attach the leg. So this ball, just roll it and here and twist this for the feet. Legs have been joined. The second leg, twist this. Now the hand. And let's turn this into a V and join it here and flatten the end so that he can hold the modakam. The second hand, again turn it to a V, join it here, the upper part, and this palm will be in the blessing posture, facing upwards. So now let's attach the ears. So just flatten this, we'll attach it to the head here. Ears have been attached. The second ear. And now for the most important part, the trunk. Here, flatten the upper portion of the trunk, okay, and curve the lower portion. Here, we attach it here. Merge this. Here our trunk is ready. See this? We will crown our Lord Ganesha. So we have these 3 balls. So we'll just keep it one on top of the other. Okay. Here and the third. So this is the crown. Okay. And now we fit this crown on the head here. Our cute Ganesha is almost ready. And for the last part, the modagam. So let's shape this into a modagam. Here, this is the modagam, and this goes into Ganesha's palm. So now we'll give him eyes. I'm going to use a peppercorn. Ganesha is called Ekadanti. So I have taken a clove for the tusk. So here, and the other smaller tusk. It's broken, the clove is broken. So I'll attach this. My Ganesha is ready. So here our eco-friendly wheat flour Ganesha is ready to be worshipped. There's a lot that we can do to make our festivals more eco-friendly and to enjoy the ethos of the festivals. Are there ways to prevent all this mess, pollution and unnecessary killing of life? How? Choose mud idols without paint. You could decorate them with natural colors like haldi and kumkum in your own home. Second, there are eco-friendly Ganesha idols now available in the market which can safely be disposed in water bodies or soil without poisoning it. Third, you can make your own small idols at home using rice flour, wheat flour or turmeric powder as we have shown in this video. Fourth, motivate your community to use only biodegradable decoration materials for your community Ganesh festival in your area. And finally, the leftover decoration materials must be composted and not disposed in water or landfills. So do let me know how you plan to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi this year. Leave your comments below. A special thanks to a very close friend of mine, Suhasini, who is based in the US now, who gifted me this little Ganesha 25 years back on my wedding. Thank you, Suha, and he continues to bless us every single day.